last words, so then she left. Slammed doors and broken glasses. I went back to the minute when I said, hey, 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 I hate you. Fighting over stupid things. Don't even mind whose fault it is. No, I sit now, we're both sick of this. So let's take a break, yeah. Every step I take or a move I make reminds me of you. I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I fall in text between you and me. Can I get rid of that? I wanna call you by, never mind, 'cause we broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. I checked out your Instagram stories, bragging about her newest friend, and I guess you moved on really fast. It's okay, I got it. Maybe it's really over, and the funny lovers we once were died now. Although it's worth a try, I think it's worth a try. Every step I take or move I make.
Hey guys, just checking in here at Timberlands Highland Resort with Gab Gab. Yes, we already got our card on the way to our room.
First time niya po ba mag-check-in dito?
Yes.
Ito po yung beauty.
Ito yung
Sa dulo
beauty.
lang po yung pool area. Sa harap po ng pool area, hindi po kayo nahal yung bonfire s'mores. Since umulan po kayo, cancel lang.
Pero usually meron.
Yes po ma'am, kapag maalis po mo.
Okay. Ito pala yung nakikita sa taas.
Nasa lahat sa naman po ng pool area, hindi mo po ma-access yung active zone. Volleyball court, basketball court. And may kinder place skating po tayo.
Level 02. Hey, bye-bye. Yay! Meron din tayong telephone dito. If we have any questions, we can dial 0 for the operator.
Parang sa'yo pa ng hotel pag nag-agad ako doon sa party. Takpan mo na lang doon. Diyan ka lang. Ay, baba. May supot ako sa
The wheels on the bus go round
Disney ko lang yung pandel.
Babab, smile here. Hi. Hi.
Clap, clap, babab. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. May kurot pa yan, no? Pakit niya, no?
Tat tat tat. Clap clap clap. Clap 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 clap. Clap clap clap. Okay guys, magkalakad-lakad muna kami after namin mag-settle down. Kasama ang aming little bear.
Mukha na talaga siyang dito, Ben.
So, yung room namin sa baba. So, yung palang itsura sa labas. Yan na yun. Ito po ang view deck. Yan. So, dun tayo sa taas galing kanina. Doon. Yan yung lobby nila. So, yan yung style ng Timberland. At ito kami, aakit kami. O, tara. Kids play! Let's go! Yan. Ito na po yung pool.
Gusto ko yung marami yung dahon-dahon sa gilid ng pool.
Ayan. So, parang na-reverse kasi yung pag-ikot namin dito. So, yun. Doon yung papunta na. So, may bike wash doon. Pag umakit ka dyan, papunta kang lobby. Wow! Kids playroom.
Kaso mo papaanak.
Eh, Baba!
Okay, next time.
At least you know, Bob.
May table tennis ito.
Ngayon, papasok kami sa kids playroom. Baba!
Sobrang kids.
We will check what's inside. Ayun na, meron dun, no. Gapunta ka.
It's
Yeah.
pwede ko siya i-go.
Hindi, wag na.
Dirty naman. Ba. Whoop, careful.
Ba!
Cute.
Yay! Eh! Punta naman tayo sa kanilang video room. Kita mag-stay dito, di ba, Babs? Eh! Bawal pa ang screen time.
Bonfire.
The stones. Stones. And then the boots. Yay!
Sino nag-enjoy?
Little bear.
Little Bear, Babab. Babab.
Little bear, you little bear. Clap, clap.
Nag-meet si Big Bear at si Little Bear.
Wow. Takot yata siya.
Takot ka ga? Diyan.
Wow. Happy siya. Okay, let's go. Puso.
Babab.
Mag-hello ka na lang dyan. Kamusta naman po ang biyahe, Gab? Gabi! Mommy's here! Gabi! Baba na kayo. Bababa na si Gab. Gab. Wow!
Hirap nun? Ang dami naglalaro. Pilik mo malakas ng Netflix.
Yay! So, silip naman kami sa gym, fitness gym. Siyempre, active zone. Hindi ko akalain na ganito pala sa tindahan. Silip si Babab ng equipment. Wow!
Sa'yo, treadmill ka. Isang view mo. 7 to 9.
Ayan, pwede ka pa bukas magising. Tara, mag-jog tayo tomorrow. Tulog pa naman yan si Gab eh. Meron na silang area dito. So, may weighing scale. Okay, so tapos na kami mag-play ni Gab Gab. Watch ang Sleepy Little Bear.
Pagod si Little Bear.
Ayan. Ayan na. Pasta.
Tumakatol dun sa
Magkano ba ang breakfast?
Sige.
Eh! Baba, Sleepy! Sarap! Sarap ng smile! Hello, baby! My little bear! Mama! Food niya. Yeah.
Cute. Pinapindot na.
Ay, gagaling na.
Eat, Babab. More, Babab. Ow! Sarap. Sarap the food. Wow.
Wow.
mirror.
Look, nakatingin sa'yo.
Tapos na po kaming kumain. Paakit naman po kami sa movie house. May churros daw at merong popcorn. Hey! With Nona and Daddy.
Totoo lang, ng artista. Si Nora Honor at si Vilma Santos.
Wala mo kung sa pelikula. Una.
Snipe. Bird. Beady eyes. Very nice. I'm elderly and infirm. I can't catch you.
Bye! Nagka-clap na yan. Clap
Sila lang, plus ako.
Ang kaya natin dito masyado.
Bye!
Hello ba? Pauwi na kami. Pabalik na kami sa aming room. Relax. So, yan yun. Yan yung view deck. And then, doon naman papunta yung pool. Yun yung restaurant. Beach Cafe. So, pauwi na kami sa aming room. Yun lang yung prob kasi ngayon, sira yung elevator. Ay, dito na pala kami. Yan na. Ay, isa pa pala. Char. Isa pa pala. Yay. Yay.
What a vlog. Ramos vlog.
Hey guys, so right now we're here at Timberland Highlands Resort. So this is here in Gitnang Bayan, San Mateo. Talagang maganda talaga yung place. Ako, it's my first time to have a staycation here. And little did I know na ang dami palang amenities inside that we can enjoy. So, mag-room tour tayo. So, ito yung door. Ang room pala natin ay 1102. So, para systematic, ang gawin natin ay right to left. Ang room pala natin is deluxe between beds. So, direkta kami sa kanilang site, nag-book kahapon lang. Yung side, may mga gamit dyan. Hindi man masyadong pansinin, pero may mga drawers. Yan. Cabinet. Dann tayo mga hangers. Tapos meron tayo security vault. And then, yes, drawers. Yan, ang bigat. Emergency flashlight. And then, meron tayong 2 pairs ng sleepers. Next part is their cupboard o yung pantry area nila where you can see the cups, the complimentary coffee, sweetener. Aba, Splenda pala sila. Nice. And then, Lipton. Tapos, yung electric kettle natin dyan, and they do have water here. So, yung water nila dito, pwede naman daw kumuha doon sa labas. So, nakita ko naman kung saan siya. Dito naman sa baba, no, we open the refrigerator. So, nakalagay dyan Fujitenzo. And then, dito sa loob ay, ayan, di ba dealer dun sa loob. Diyan natin nalagay yung milk later. And then, tapos na ba tayo dyan? Sige, naman tayo sa room proper. So, sa room proper, andyan si Gab Gab. Say hi! Hi! Clap, clap, clap! Ayan siya. And then, dito naman sa side na to, we have the TV. Yung TV nila may different channels. And then, dito, merong mga drawers pa din. And then sa side naman na to, andyan si Gab Gab. Yan ang attraction natin dito. Yung desk area natin. So wala pala ito. At kung mapapansin niyo pala, childproof tayo dito. So may mga ganyan tayo. Di ba ang galing? So yung ating view. Pero wala tayo siyang view dito kasi nasa pinakababa tayo eh. So pwede natin silang buksan ng ganyan. Pero kahit wag na, wala rin naman tayo makikita. Pero bukas na lang. Medyo umulan din kasi. So hindi tayo masyado makalabas ngayon. And aircon natin, alam nyo ba guys, pasok namin pala dito is sobrang lamig talaga. Actually, we have 2 beds, yung 2 beds natin, no? Twin, we combined it. Tapos assisted naman tayo ng housekeeping. Nakikita niya may headboard. Yan yung original placement nung ating bed. And then, so yung CR natin nakakatuwa kasi PWD friendly siya. Tsaka senior friendly na lang din. So meron tayo dito ang ganito. Upuan. So pag feeling mo na, try ko nga. May shampoo and conditioner na with bath gels. You don't need to bring your own if you don't have. Pero rain shower head, maganda. Ayan, may retractable clothesline. So pwede siya tanggalin. Ang galing! Pero sa kabila. Anyway, hindi ko na siya masyadong kukulitin. Pero medyo wide enough na rin siya, no? Meron tayong dalawang clean towels dito. And then dito naman, rails again. And of course, meron tayong bidet! Joke lang. So, lagay natin dyan. And may rails din. Yan. Flush. And then yung CR natin, basic lang din siya. Yun lang kasi wala siyang plastic na nakalagay or anything. Meron tayong, ano to? Tissue. Tissue lang din. Blower. Ayan, may blower tayong magagamit. So, dito, not suitable for drinking. So, kuha na lang kayo ng ibang bagay doon. Tissue, meron din tayong complimentary toiletries kit, dental kit. Yan. Tapos ito, meron tayong lotion. Lotion yung isa kong gusto sa mga hotels. Pag nag-aayos ka, ayan, hanapin. Tada! Ayan. So, yun muna for now. Thank you! Oh, ding ding ding! Oh, ding ding ding! Oh, ding ding ding! Gabi, gabi! Ano yan? Anong ginagawa mo? Chigi, chigi, chigi!
Kilitin natin, kiliting-kiliti siya eh.
Nakita mo ba yung mukha niya kanina yun?
Baba.
Daming laway! Ding ding ding, ah, ding
Wow.
ding ding, ah, ding 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 ding.
I'm starting to feel away. That we were no strings attached. Maybe we could take that back, make it what it isn't. I wanna be with you. We just get along so well.
Ayan guys, so lovely Sunday morning. Ito po tayo ngayon sa ating room.
Maybe it's alright. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Maybe it's crazy I love you. Maybe it's crazy I do. Maybe it is, but I live with it. If it means I love you. If we could be together, I'm section. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All of your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches.
Mom and Dad out. Thanks to Nona. Swimming muna kami guys. Wala ko sa... Shower muna, bibo muna. Paano mag-shower ang nilalamig?
Hangin pa.
Ayan guys, so super cold right now.
You've been throwing vibes my way. Already know you ain't gotta say it. Never try to hide it. How could you deny it? Every time I see you be on the same old thing. Touchy-feely, ain't no shame. Checking for me way before you knew my name. But when I try to leave,
Alright, so we're just done swimming. It's 10 o'clock. Medyo umulan din kasi, so we're just moving around. walking and to appreciate kung ano man ang meron dito. Ayan. So, yan ang view. Ang sabi ni Kuya, yun daw ay Ortigas, Makati. Doon daw ay Binangonan. At dito daw ay Quezon City, San Mateo. Ayan.
Manila.
So, isang landmark na pwede nyo makita dito is yung Marco Polo kasi nag-iiba daw yung kulay niya.
You go in my head. No, I'm not crazy, babe. Chemistry is so insane. Why you playing games? You know it's so obvious to see that you want me. What's the hold up? I got places to go. I got people to see. I got things to do. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna shoot your shot? I'm wide open. Better make a move. TikTok, what's the motion? Already know I'm not here to win. I'm waiting around. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna shoot your shot? I'm wide open. Better make a move. TikTok, what's the motion? What is the motion, babe? Are you gonna swing my way? You see me shining, I'm on my grind, so I don't got time to wait. I'm all on your timeline. Got you tuning
Okay guys, so pabalik na kami ng room namin. Kailangan na namin mag-pack up. Siyempre, maligo muna dahil mag-check out na kami ng 11 a.m. So, yun lang yung medyo drawback dito. Medyo late yung 3 p.m. na check-in and then, usually kasi diba 2 o'clock yan and then 11 o'clock yung kanilang check-out, which is, yung aga nga. Ayan na. So, let's go home. Hello, baby! Good morning, love! Hi! Hello, good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Mama! Yeah, enjoy ka ba?